Good day, guys. Welcome back. Let's take a look at our Nasdaq 100 for the day. So, before we get started, if you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. Just click on the subscribe button, like, and also make your comment or watch out for it. So, let's do a quick recap on our Nasdaq 100 on the weekly time frame. You can see on the weekly time frame, this is a bearish trend. We are on a bearish move. Secondly, that this price is below our moving average, which I'm using the 10 period moving average. Once the price is below the 10 period moving average, then we are on a bearish move and we have to look for a way to short it. But if it is above it, then we are possibly to go long, right? But clearly we can see this price is below our 10 period moving average and we are to short it. So weekly time frame, we are still on a bearish move. Now that should take us to the daily time frame. So basically, we can see price has come here to react here. If you're following this channel consistently, we can see how we once range here, right? We saw that once price came to this level, we saw a pullback before it broke below it. The price rose up to tested this level, dropped again, came again, test this level, dropped, came again, test this level, and dropped, right? This is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level here, which we would be taking as our resistance level. So this level below here, we will be taking it as our support level, right? So we saw that this price has dropped to this support level. We saw it rose up, it came to this support, rose up, and also at this support level, right? So this is one of the reasons why we've actually been ranging for some time. So we would want to see where the price will be going for the next day. Notice that we can consider this as a drop, right? Price broke out of this level where it was once coming to test previously. Now that price has given us a pullback, what do we expect on this Nasdaq 100? I'm expecting another bearish move, right? So we would be expecting it on a long run, by the way. So for the next day, to be able to predict such a move, we would actually go to the 4-hour time frame. But before we go to the 4-hour time frame, take a look at this moving average, which I'm using 10 period moving average. We all know it that once the price is below the 10 period moving average, we are on a bearish move, right? So clearly we can see that the price is below our moving average and we have to look for a way to short. So now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says. So what does this 4-hour time frame says? It actually says on a bearish move. You can see this lower lows, lower highs, like a pullback, another lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So I'll be watching out for something. If price can eventually push us up to break above this level, right? Break above a level of let's call it a level 11,000, just 11,000. If price can push out to break above a level of 11,000, then there's only one movement I want you all to consider. That is to go long to this our resistance level. That is to say that the price on Nasdaq 100 is not the ranging market move on Nasdaq 100 is not over. So watch out for a level of 11,000. Once the price can break above the level of 11,000, then there's only one movement that we all should be looking for or we all should take, which is a bullish move straight up to our resistance level, which it has once been ranging previously. And if price continues to go bearish, right, and it possibly break these lows, then there's only one movement we are all are waiting for on our Nasdaq 100, which is a bearish move. And before we actually we want to first of all take out this level lows first here. So it just depends on how the price will play out. Though in the long run, I've done analysis on the weekly time frame. In the long run, we would all be dropping massively. We would want to go bearish though, right? But for the next day, which is on the 7th, the price can act funny, whereby we are all predicting it will drop, right? But the price can eventually just push itself to come to this resistance level. So this is why I'm telling you guys to just watch out for it. Once it gets to a level of 11,000, just know that we are on a bullish move to the resistance level. But if it fails to push up and it is giving us that bearish move, then there's only one movement we all should follow and jump in on our Nasdaq 100, which is a bearish move. So just watch out how the price play out is will determine how we place our trade for the day.